Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Wi-Fi driver for your laptop on Windows 11 operating system, of course. So the first thing to do, please go to manufacturer of your laptop official website. For example, I'm using the Asus BR series. So you have to find your product on the manufacturer official website. Here, first thing to do, you can download the drivers and tools. For easier, in Asus there is download one-click driver, so you can download all of the driver from the for the Asus BR series. Especially if talk about Wi-Fi, you must download this one. So the second solution, you can download the driver from the Intel. Here, Intel Wireless Wi-Fi driver for Windows 10 or 11. Try to download the latest version, the new versions. So here you can hold Windows X Windows button and X button to open Device Manager. Here we go. Go to the network adapters and search for your Wi-Fi adapter. As you can see, I'm using Intel adapter for my Wi-Fi, and here you can download the Intel version of Wi-Fi drivers. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the next button below. See you in the next video.